Top 10 Facts on Business Analysis Techniques, Backlog Management. Explanation: Backlog management is a critical aspect of agile project management, where a backlog refers to a prioritized list of work items that are planned for completion in a project. Effective backlog management ensures that the team is working on the most valuable and relevant tasks at any given time. Here are the top 10 facts about backlog management. Agile project management. Backlog management is an essential practice in agile project management methodologies, such as Scrum and Kanban. It helps teams prioritize and manage the work items that are needed to be completed during a project. Work item prioritization. Backlog management involves prioritizing work items based on their value, urgency, and dependencies. It helps teams focus on the most important and high-value tasks first, ensuring that the team is working on the right things at the right time. Dynamic and evolving. Backlogs are dynamic and evolving, which means that they can change over time as new work items are added, priorities shift, and requirements evolve. Backlog management involves regularly reviewing and updating the backlog to ensure that it reflects the current priorities and needs of the project. Cross-functional collaboration. Backlog management requires cross-functional collaboration among team members, including product owners, developers, testers, and other stakeholders. It encourages regular communication, feedback, and alignment to ensure that everyone is on the same page about the work items in the backlog. Clear definition of work items. Backlog management involves clearly defining the work items in the backlog, including user stories, tasks, bugs, and other items. Clear definition helps in understanding the scope, complexity, and dependencies of the work items, making it easier to prioritize and manage them effectively. Continuous refinement. Backlog management requires continuous refinement of the backlog to ensure that it remains relevant and aligned with the project goals. It involves removing outdated or low-value items, reprioritizing based on changing requirements, and adding new items as needed. Estimation and planning. Backlog management involves estimating the effort required to complete each work item and planning them in sprints or iterations, depending on the agile methodology being used. Estimation and planning help teams allocate resources effectively, manage dependencies, and ensure that work is completed in a timely manner. Transparency and visibility. Backlog management promotes transparency and visibility, as the backlog is accessible to all team members and stakeholders. It helps in fostering open communication, shared understanding, and alignment on the work items that are planned for completion. Focus on value. Backlog management emphasizes the importance of delivering value to customers and stakeholders. It helps teams prioritize work items based on their value proposition, customer needs, and strategic objectives, ensuring that the most valuable work is prioritized and completed first. Continuous improvement. Backlog management is a continuous improvement process where teams learn from their experiences, gather feedback, and make adjustments to the backlog management practices. It helps teams become more efficient, effective, and adaptive in managing their work items and delivering value. In conclusion, effective backlog management is a crucial aspect of agile project management, ensuring that teams work on the most valuable and relevant tasks, fostering collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. It involves prioritizing, refining, estimating, and planning work items, while promoting a customer-centric and value-driven approach to project delivery.